Poker Fraud Alert community. My name is Lee Bradbury, also known as A Hoosier A in the forum. And as most of you are aware, I was doxxed by Christopher Mitchell in May of this year and then taken to court by him in June of this year based off of a harassment and stalking protection order that he had filed. So a lot of you guys have been waiting to hear my side of the story, and over the past 3 or 4 days, I've spent, between 5 and 6 hours trying to put a video together explaining everything. I have the whole video of where he doxed me, and I know that a lot of people didn't get to see that, which I had my personal information in it, which I'm not necessarily sorry that you didn't get to see it, but I was going to review parts of it where he told blatant lies and so forth, and just trying to convince everybody that me, Lee Bradbury, was Kevin Davis. But after trying to throw this together and putting all the energy into it, I've realized that I just really don't have the energy to put out a solid video. So I've actually decided that I don't have the energy to really go into this any further. This video is going to be it for me. I apologize to the people that want to hear my side, but I'm just not going to put it out there. I am going to be open to speaking with people privately. If you want to reach out, you can reach out to me on the Poker Fraud Alert forum, A Hoosier A. Just send me a message. More than happy to kind of give my side, over the phone or anything like that if you want to talk. But yeah, I'm just not going to really put any more energy into it. I apologize, guys. He did take me to court. I will say this, the one thing, I didn't take a lawyer with me because I knew that he didn't have anything to connect me to Kevin Davis, because there is nothing. And unfortunately, and I don't fault Kevin Davis for this at all. Me and Kevin Davis were not really on speaking terms. But there's really no ill will. There's no hard feelings or anything like that towards Kevin Davis. Kevin Davis made a live stream video while I was in court, basically saying that he's not Lee Bradbury, and how could he be Lee Bradbury if Lee Bradbury is in court the second. Unfortunately, just by sheer luck, one of the court assistants had the YouTube video, the YouTube channel of YouTube Scammers Exposed pulled up at the same exact time. Saw that there was a live video. She claims that she heard the judge's voice in the video. By the time that she got the phone over to the judge, the video had ended, the live stream had ended, and was not, no longer on the channel. The judge, took his court assistant's word that she heard the judge's voice on the video and asked me, if I was recording the court hearing. Of course, I said no, because I was not. My wife was with me, but she was out in the hallway. They said that, she could have possibly snuck into the courtroom. They refused to speak with my wife, but of course she was not doing that either. Again, it was just, Kevin Davis making a live video saying that he was not me, and how could he be me if I'm in court. And yeah, so anyway, the judge got pissed off, thinking that I was recording the court hearing. So he went ahead and issued the restraining order against me, not based off of any evidence that Christopher Mitchell presented. Actually, Christopher Mitchell did not present a single shred of evidence to the court in either court hearing that we had. So anyway, after that hearing, I was, pretty upset. I immediately went to an attorney and hired an attorney that day. Explained my story to the attorney. Presented, whatever kind of proof that I could. And the attorney filed a motion to dismiss. And finally, after just the legal aspects of it, it kind of took a little while. But finally, about a month ago now, we finally was able to get the restraining order dropped. Again, we went into court. The judge still believes that I was recording the courtroom. Again, I was not. But again, there was no proof presented by Christopher Mitchell that, I was Kevin Davis. And so ultimately the judge decided to drop the restraining order and basically issued what's called a no contact order. It's kind of a informal order that just says that we need to stay away from each other. If we see each other, we both need to go the separate way. I've actually never seen him in my life outside of the courtroom or outside of the hallway where he tries to stare me down. But anyway, guys, I apologize that I'm not going to be able to put my entire story out there just in a video form. If you guys want to reach out, feel free to contact me on the Poker Fraud Alert forum. I can give you some, my phone number or whatever, and if you want to hear it, that's fine. There are people out there that I, have explained my story to, and again, I don't mind telling it, but I'm just not going to put it in a video format because it's going to take a lot of time and energy, and I just don't want to put that time or energy into it. So this is going to be the final video that I make in regards to it, I believe. So if you have any questions, just feel free to contact me on the Poker Fraud Alert forum, who's your A, and thank you guys for listening. Thank you.